So hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you I'm transitioning to thicker boards. Why am I doing this? I don't know, I have no reasons. But then when it will be more effective if I want to do like the taller cakes, I can just easily put in and do have any sharp dual rod. Okay, I have this. I can just use this as an example. I could sharpen this edge and just put this in here, and it's gonna hold quite thickly instead of rather than using these slim boards. Just look at the difference, guys. Are you seeing? It's like 3 times of this, 2 times of this. It's like 2 times of this, 2 times the size. So it's just like having 2 boards stacked together for one board, and it's not even twice the price. So yeah, basically that's it. I'll be using thick boards initially from now on, and you're going to be seeing more of the thick boards. By the way, guys, if you want to purchase these boards, I can actually help you purchase them and send them to wherever you are down here in Nigeria. Please, only in Nigeria. I can just help you purchase. Just send you the price of the breakdown of the logistics and all, and it's going to be sent out to you wherever you are. So yeah, basically that's it. So yeah, so you're gonna be seeing a lot of thick boards from now on in this channel. So that's just the video. What am I gonna do next? What am I gonna say next? Yeah, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway because I just crossed 1,000 subscribers. So if you're not yet a subscriber, please do it to subscribe. And I'm going to be hosting a free baking class, a 2 days baking class basically, for those that are interested. But then you have to be a subscriber to win this. So those of you that actually want the baking class and you're not yet a subscriber, I'm sorry for you basically, because it's not going to happen. You have to watch my videos. Actually, that's like a way of rewarding you for watching my videos. Although you are rewarding me by watching my video, but then I'm rewarding you back by giving you a free class. So you are rewarding me and I'm rewarding you, and you are, you know how this works. This is a what's that relationship called? It's not, is it symbiosis? Yes, symbiosis relationship. So a little bit of biology there, you know. So yeah, basically. So basically that's it. So let's head straight into the next video where I ice a cake. I ice a cake. I have a couple of cakes to ice though. Yeah, I ice a cake.